We've always had a court here, so it's a combination netball, tennis and basketball court. Why we went to the shade system is because we kept saving for a hall and we just never were meeting the mark. So a shade system was the obvious choice, and it actually has probably given us more choices. We chose shade systems because of their reputation and also they had experience in the area. The process was wonderful. They fitted it into a 2-week holiday time frame, so we were able to have it done while the children weren't here. As you can see, it's going to be fully utilised in the summer and the winter. We hope to use it for basketball because we always had to hire basketball gyms to practice in because we're a big basketball school, so therefore it's going to be fully utilised right throughout the year. I would recommend them because they deliver within a small time frame and with very good follow-up services.